What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be a mission knife, but it's a little different, a little special. I'll show you why. Came with this card. I cut it when I opened the package. I got excited. You guys know I get these with my monthly Knife Club subscription boxes, but they did something crazy. It's the first subscription box I ever seen do this, by the way. I might be wrong, but they made their own knife. So this is exciting for me, but they know how I get down on my channel. If it sucks, it sucks. And if it's good, it's good. Friends or not. So I don't lie to my subscribers. You guys know I tell it how it is. So with that being said, let's get into some details real quick. This actually went out in their name brand starter plan, which is like their second from the bottom tier on their knife only subscription boxes. So it costs 25 bucks. And for the people who subscribe, they got it in their hands. And it will be going live on their website for 42 bucks sometime this month. And if you haven't been on their website, it's pretty dope. They sell a whole bunch of different brands of knives. They have really good deals on there. Pretty much any brand that they give on subscription boxes, they sell it on their website. They also have like grab bag boxes and those types of things. So check them out. And if you're looking for this, it'll be up soon. If it's a banger, and I'll let you know that here in a second. Card time. I am not going to read all the words. If you guys want to pause and read all that stuff, feel free. I'm just going to go over specs. The weight is 4 ounces, blade length 3.54, overall 8.27. So it is a bigger boy, and they know I have big hands, so that's probably why they sent this out to me. D2 steel, JG10, drop point blade. It is ceramic bearings. They let me know that. It's also PVD coated on the blade. They let me know that in the email. Blade hardness is 56 to 59. It's not all the way up like some of these knife companies are doing right now, but for a first knife, that's not bad at all. So, like I said, the cost of the plan was 25 bucks. The total value, they're saying 39 to 49. And I think they're going to go about 42 when it comes out. So, let's take a look at this thing. So, I don't have to go over specs anymore. I just get to look at this thing and be critically honest. So let's see what we got going on. Again, pause if you want to read that, but this is from Daryl Buckholtz. The K got me messed up. So it's from Daryl. He's the CEO and founder of this knife club. I've spoken to him on email a bunch of times. Awesome dude. Everybody from Monthly Knife Club is really cool. So here it is. Nice box, by the way. They are doing it right with the box for sure. Got magnetic closure. Very cool. Yeah. Here it is. Let's take a look. I'm excited. All right, so yes, it's jade. I'm not going to talk too much about the scales real quick. They look nice. This is looking very minimalistic. They're not going overboard on the first attempt, and maybe they will in the future. Maybe they'll make some higher end stuff, but this is definitely a budget knife. Let's pop it open. Ooh, okay. They promised it would be drop shutty, and it looks like they're delivering. Wow. Watch your fingers, folks. That's nice. Okay, so they got me there. Definitely drop shade. Let's look at the blade first. Like I said, it's PVD coated. Let's feel the sharpness. Very sharp factory grind on there for sure. Yeah, it's pretty freaking sharp. Drop point blade. Got the little emblem there. Like I said, it's very minimalistic. It's they're not going overboard. I think that's smart for your first attempt at a knife. Don't get crazy. Don't make something off the wall overbuilt. No blade wiggle at all. Solid as a rock. Nice, guys. No jimping. Maybe that's the first thing. First recommendation, throw some jimps on there. But like I said, let's check the ergos. Got a little D2 there. And I just looking at the handle, I knew the ergos would be really good. Yeah, that feels my hand very nicely. Feels good. I can feel the pocket clip just a little bit, but very comfortable. A little knife juice. Let me get that out of here. At least I got it lubed up for me. Nice. So far, so good. All right, let's take a look at the rest of it. So got some jimping going on there. That's good. And like I said, yeah, the deployment is awesome. Drop shutty, snaps right out. It's not, you can feel the weight to the blade, and it's a bigger knife. So, but yeah, very good action. So yeah, let's close it up. What are we doing? All right. I don't know if you could tell the machining on the scales, but it's there. You can see it's rounded off on the sides. So it's not just squared off on both sides. Yeah, so it's got some nice milling on there. The texture on the G10 is very nice, very even, very grippy. So yeah, they got that right for sure. And everything is very flush. Even the pivot, very flush. So I think that's what they're going for. Just simplistic, first shot at it. And so far they're knocking it out of the park for sure. No lanyard hold, not reversible. That's not my fault this time. So it's not reversible. Let's see what we got going on. Open construction. Got some jimping down here. Does that kind of help with the grip? Yeah, because it kind of digs into the back of your palm there. So yeah, that actually is, yeah, that's something that's actually not just for show. It actually improves the grip on there. So that's nice. And yeah, it's pretty aggressive. If you guys can see that real quick, like little shark tooth or whatever you want to call it. Pretty aggressive, but very good. The pocket clip. Okay, so they say deep carry. That's going to stick out of your pocket about, I'd say half an inch or so. So it's kind of like that Spyderco type thing going on, but smaller. Um, could they go a little deeper carry on the clip? Yeah, that's a suggestion. I'd definitely put that out there, but not bad. Let's see how it feels going in and out of the pocket. My bird's being a bird, so don't mind him. Okay, so it holds onto your pocket, kind of gets caught up because how it loops down like that, and it's got that big space there, but it's not really getting caught, but it holds on very nicely. So that's not a hit. Just beware if you pull it out of your pocket, it might grab it a little too much on where it loops down like that. Let's feel around for any kind of hot spots besides that. That's a purposely hot spot. Okay, one other suggestion I can give is on the G10 scales right here on the edges, maybe round that off a little bit. It's kind of sharp. It's not going to cut you or nothing like that, but you can feel it. But overall, I am very impressed. For your first go, guys, yeah, definitely. I think it's a buy for sure. I would buy this. And not just saying that because you guys are Monthly Knife Club, but yeah, I definitely like the knife. The ergos are probably my favorite part. Let's compare it to something. What do we got? What is the same? Oh yeah, I already have this standing by. So this guy I got earlier in the month. Size is exactly the same. I mean, lengthwise, pretty much. I mean, it might be off by a fraction of an inch. This actually might, no, that's pretty much the same. So size-wise, if you got bigger hands, it's definitely going to do the thing for you. But for first go, you guys did it. I'm happy to see you guys making your own stuff. That's awesome. And I hope this sells well because, like I said, I would buy it again and keep going with it. Definitely. I'd like to see you guys do some higher end stuff eventually. Or maybe do a little overbuilt stuff. Get crazy with it. Don't just keep it all plain and simple. You did that on your first knife and it's very nice. But yeah, get out there. You guys need to get out there and just get crazy because I think it'll attract more people to your website doing this kind of thing. And I appreciate you guys sending this out to me. And thank you all for watching. And as always, thank you, my veteran brothers and sisters and my active duty guys and girls. Be safe. Keep your heads down. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good job, guys.